make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we're going to be going over on how to make a pink salt spa bar. What we're going to want to do is cut up some melt and pour soap using the double boil method. Melt the soap, or you can also use the microwave. Add a teaspoon of rose kaolin clay to a bowl, and then of course spray it with some rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol kind of helps it, breaks it down, and prevents any clumps from forming in the powder. Add 1 tablespoon of essential oil blend and give it a stir, mix it in just right. Now we're going to go ahead and add the kaolin clay mixture to the soap, just a little bit at a time, just so we can get the right color we want, and also so it doesn't clump up in the soap. Kaolin clay is very absorbent, and so if there's any clumps in it, it'll absorb the soap, and the soap will start turning out to be chunky, and we don't want that at all, guys. So while you guys get done with that, add a little bit of some coarse pink Himalayan salt to the soap mold. This is one way of doing the spa bar. This is a little bit more of aggressive exfoliating. Trust me, when I pulled this thing out, it was perfect. The next way, we're going to add just a little bit of soap, kind of give it like a little gloss over, and then we're going to go ahead and add a layer of the pink Himalayan salt to that, and then we're going to fill the rest of it up. Trust me, guys, if you have very sensitive skin, this would be the best way of doing this. Trust me, it's not as rough. And it just leaves my skin feeling smooth and not like it's been raided and scratched upon and everything else. Then of course, give it a nice little spray of rubbing alcohol just to avoid any bubbles from forming. Now this one right here is the more mild, sensitive skin type exfoliating spa bar. You guys can see it. It's not bad. It's definitely not like this one right here. If you want something more aggressive exfoliating as a spa bar, this right here is your go-to. Now that will scrub your skin completely clean. And then of course, guys, once you get done scrubbing, flip it over and just start feeling the nice lather and everything. And it's like the perfect, perfect spa bar. Pink salt is known to heal and soothe skin by calming irritations and breakouts, as well as retaining moisture and deep layers of your skin. If you guys can see now, we're going to go ahead and scrub this bar on the pink salt side. You guys can see there's not that much lather, but when you flip it over, there's going to be a great amount of lather, and this is like I said, guys, the perfect spa bar. If you guys can do me a favor, thumbs up this video, jump down on those comments, and most importantly, guys, subscribe to the channel.